Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix the Roblox this experience is not currently available. Let's get started. Once you're in the Roblox and then you have the issue this experience is not currently available, when you open the game experience that you've created, then you can fix it by doing this. Click on the three dots icon beside the name of the experience. Next, select Edit in Studio in the pop-up. Now, open Roblox Studio. Wait for a while to finish loading. In the Roblox Studio, click on the File button at the top left part. Next, select Publish to Roblox. Let's adjust the game permissions of this experience to allow other players to join. Click on the Game Settings under the Home tab. Next, go to Permissions and then set the playability to public and then click on the Save button below. Now let's try it. Go back to Roblox page and then reload it and open the game experience. Now check if that works for you. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much!